How to delete a folder using command prompt in Windows 11. Be careful. This method permanently deletes the folder. It does not go to the recycle bin. Open command prompt. Press Windows plus S. Type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Then choose run as administrator. Then press yes, or just press enter to open it normally for personal folders. Now write the command rmdir. Rmdir stands for remove directory. Then press space /s. /s will delete all files and subfolders inside the folder. Then press space, then press /q. It will enable quiet mode, no confirmation prompts. Then press space. Now right click on the folder you want to delete and copy the path. Paste the path inside the command prompt. Then hit enter. If you hit enter, the folder will gone. For example, let's say you want to delete a folder named old projects on your desktop. Your command would look like this. Replace your name with your actual Windows username. If you are trying to delete a protected or system folder, make sure to run command prompt as administrator. Close any programs using that folder. If you get an error, access is denied, then run cmd as administrator. If you get an error, the directory is not empty, then make sure you used / to include subfolders. If you get an error, path not found, then double check the folder path and spelling.